Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important topic of your syllabus, revise a very important topic which is what trigonometric identities and some we have solved some important questions based on trigonometric ratios. Okay, now dear students, in today's class we take and solve. We take and solve some important questions based on trigonometric identities. Take and solve some important questions based on trigonometric identities. Uh, in today's class, we take some important previous year board examination question of your based on trigonometric identities, and we revising them. So, dear students, I hope you learned all the important identities related to that chapter. Now, let's take some important questions and solving them. Look, prove the identity. Prove that. Your question is sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon plus 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta. Okay, this is the very important algebraic identity, very important trigonometric identities. Now let's see what is the process to prove that questions. Just in proving, first of all, we clear the concept of some important facts. In proving any trigonometric identities, first of all, we convert all the values in LHS in sine and cosine. Generally, in 90% question we do that. But here all the values are also in sine and cosine. So we just simply take the LCM because of we adding the fractions by taking the LCM. This is the general method to solve that type of question. So now we take, let's see its solution. We take left hand side. We take left hand side of this question. So we have sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. This is the question here. Now what I do? We take their LCM. So we take LCM both the values as sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. We take the LCM. Okay. Now result, we divide the LCM by the denominator of this fraction. So we get, now look, 1 plus cos cancel. So sine into sine is what? This is sine square theta plus, if we divide sine theta into 1 plus cos theta, then sine theta cancel to each other, and we have 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta multiply in the numerator, and the value of its numerator is also 1 plus cos theta. So here we get what? 1 plus cos theta whole square. 1 plus cos theta whole square. Now what I do? Now we just simplifying them. Okay, so look, here we expand, we write sin square theta as it is, plus this is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2a means 2 cos theta. Divided by, we write sin theta into 1 plus cos theta as it is. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta as it is. Okay. Now look, we take sin square theta, cos square theta together as sin square theta and plus 1 write as it is, and plus this is 2 cos theta upon, this is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So now look, This is 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. 1 what? 2. So here we get 2 plus 2 cos theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now look. So we take 2 as common from the numerator, so we get 1 plus cos theta upon, this is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, right, as it is. Okay, now look, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is cancelled to each other, so we get what? 2 into 1 upon sin theta. 2 into 1 upon sin theta. So you know that, dear friends, 1 upon sin theta is what? Cosec theta. So here we can write as 2 into cos theta. This is your R S S hence 2. Let's see. So dear friend, this is the process to prove that type of. This is very easy. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics, because this is very important questions of your syllabus. Okay, now this one we take and revise, solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now, we take some other important questions based on identity. Prove that, just a minute, if, this is very important question, if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta, find the value of cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Now let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is the very important questions of your syllabus, trigonometric identities. So please concentrate on this question. Look, first of all, we have, what is the given? We have cos theta plus sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta. Okay, take equation number 1. Now, look, this question we have to show that we have to find the value of cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. So for that, first of all, we are taking squaring both sides. Okay, now taking squaring we get as cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to under root 2 cos theta whole square. In this way, squaring both sides means taking the square both sides. Now we expand them and this. So in this here it's a plus b whole square. So we get what? A square plus b square plus 2a into b is equal to here This is root 2 square, this is 2. This is what? Cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Okay, now look, we transfer cos square theta that side, so we get 2 cos square as it is, right, and cos square theta transfer that side. This is minus cos square theta. We also transfer plus sin square theta that side, so minus sin square, and here this is v2 cos theta into sin theta is z. So we can write as it is. We can write as it is. Now look, here this is 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. This is 1 cos square theta, okay, and minus sin square theta, right as it is equal to, this is 2 cos theta into sin. And now, yes friends, here we use the identity as a square minus b square, and you know that the value of a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Look here, we can write a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta into sin theta. Now look, using equation 1, look, the value of cos theta plus sin theta is equal to what? This is under root 2 cos theta, under root 2 what? Cos theta. Okay, so we just put the value of cos theta plus sin theta as under root 2 cos theta. Now using equation 1, we put the value of cos plus sin as what? Under root 2 cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta into sin theta. Now look, cos theta is cancelled to each other, so we get the value of cos theta minus sin theta equal to, this is 2 sin theta upon under root 2. Now what I do? Now we multiply both the numerator and denominator by under root 2. So we get what? If we multiply by under root 2, then we get, this is 2 under root 2 into sin theta upon root 2 into root 2, that is converted to 2. So 2 are cancelled to each other, thus the value of cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root 2 sin theta, under root 2 sin theta. This is the final answer of this question. Okay, so in this way, dear student, the value of cos minus sin is what? Under root 2 sin theta. The value of cos theta minus sin theta is what? Under root 2 sin theta. So this is the process, dear student, to solve that type of question, because of this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please revise and do more and more practices, because of we just revising the syllabus now. We already discussed, learned all the important questions. No, we just revising them now. Now, dear friends, we take and solve some important question based on these topics. Okay. Now look, if x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, if a is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that a square upon x square, a square upon x square, okay, minus b square upon y square is equal to 1. Now let's see its solution. Okay, this is the question based on trigonometric identities. So let's see what is the process to solve that question. Look, so first we have the value of x is equal to a sin theta and the value of y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, the value of x is equal to a sin theta and the value of b is equal to what? B tan theta. Okay, now we take LHS. Now take LHS, which is what? A square upon x square minus b square upon y square. Now look, we put the value of x as a sin theta and we put the value of y as b tan theta. So look, so this is a square upon x square, value is a sin theta whole square, okay, minus this is b square, right, as it is, y square is what? B tan theta, the value of b tan theta whole square, b tan theta whole square. Okay, so we get as a square upon a square sin square theta, okay, and minus b square upon b square tan square theta, b square tan square theta. Now look, here a square cancel, b square cancel. So we get as 1 upon sin square theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. Okay, so here 1 upon sin square theta means what? Cosec square theta, minus 1 upon tan means what? Cot, so that is cot square theta. And you know that this is the identity, from an identity which is equal to, you know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cosec square minus cot square is what? 1. So its value is what? Equal to 1. Hence this is your RH essence 2. And prove that result. Okay, so dear students, this is the question, this is the process to solve that type of questions. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions and complete your NCERT exercise. And also you practice some other side books, some model papers also, you solve those things, okay, because of which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now dear students, we take and solve very important questions of your syllabus based on identity. Let's see. Now, look, prove the prove prove that. And the question is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So, dear student, this is a very important question. This is very important questions based on trigonometric identities. Based on trigonometric identities, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, dear students. Now, first we take LHS. Let's see. So we have minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So look, since we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. So tan square theta transform that side. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, dear students, we can replace 1 by this identity, by this one. Let's see why. Look, so here we can write tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 we can write as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, and in denominator we write tan minus sec plus 1 as it is. Okay, in denominator we can write tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. Now, dear friends, here this is the form of a square minus b square, and a square minus b square we can write a plus b and a minus b. So here we can write as tan theta plus sec theta as it is, and here minus this is we can write a plus b, okay, into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b we can write, and in denominator we can write tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. We can write tan minus sec plus 1 as it is. Okay, now in the numerator we take tan theta plus sec theta as common. Okay, so we take sec theta plus tan theta is common, so we get this is 1 minus, we in bracket we is left sec theta minus tan theta. This is left in the denominator, and in divided by this is what tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, now dear sir, we break the brackets. We break the brackets in the numerator. So we get what? Look, we break the bracket, so we get sec theta plus tan theta in one bracket, and another bracket this is minus minus plus tan theta is plus sec theta is negative and plus 1 is right as it is. So we get as tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 right as it is, and in denominator we have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now look, these whole terms are cancelled to each other, because of this is 10 minus sec plus 1 in the numerator, and as well as 10 minus sec plus 1 in also in the numerator. Okay, now we get what? That is, we have only sec theta plus tan theta is left in the numerator. Now we convert it into the sine and cosine. We look, 1 upon this is cos theta, this is sin theta upon cos theta. Now we take their LCM cos theta, so this is 1 plus sin theta upon cos, hence this is your RH, as hence prove that result. Hence proved that result. So dear student, this is a very important question, okay, based on these topics. So please dear students, do more and more practices and revise all the questions which we discussed in that class, also in previous classes. Then after you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on identity. Look, and the question is, prove that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to sec into cosec theta. Sec theta into cosec theta. We have to show that tan plus 1 upon tan is sec theta into cosec theta. So first of all, we convert into the sine and cosine. Look, so let's see its solution. We take LHS. LHS is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta. And you know that since 1 upon tan theta is what? Cot theta. This is also a very important formula. Identity. Now here we applying that concept. So we get tan theta plus this is cot theta. And now since we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. So here we apply both the formulas. Okay, so we get this is sin theta upon cos theta plus this is cos theta upon sin theta. Now we take LCM as sin theta into cos theta. Sin cos was cancelled, so sin into sin, that is sin square theta. Cos sin constant, so cos into cos, that is cos square theta. So sin square theta. This is also very important identity, since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so in numerator we get what? 1 na? Yes, in the numerator we get 1. So 1 upon sin into cos theta. So we can write as 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon cos, this is also very important identity. 1 upon cos means sec theta into 1 upon sin means what? Cosec theta. So this is our right hand side, means RH, hence proof. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So please dear students, do more and more practices. After that, you complete, you solve, you practice your NCERT question and other side book questions, which is very important for you and your examination. Okay. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric identities and we solving them. First, you revise and do more and more practices. Okay, dear friends, this is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Okay, so now thanks to all.